welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a very quick recipe, and that's baked pasta. So I'll be using the Fusilli pasta and everything will be baking in the oven, no frying required. So I'm just going to sit and chill while it's baking in the oven. So I've got chicken breast here and I'll be using the cherry tomatoes, onions, I've got chili here, and the herbs and the spices that I'll be using. I've got garlic. So I'm going to put everything together except the pasta. So I hope you enjoy watching. Stay tuned. So I've got onion powder, garlic powder, chicken stock powder. I've got chili powder, smoked paprika, and I've got mixed herbs here. So I'm going to add salt to this. So that's salt going in, and I'm going to mix all this together. I'm going to add a bit of oil to make sure everything is well blended together. Clean film and leave this to marinate. So I've washed the cherry tomato, so I'm putting them into the pan here, and the chopped onions and the chili. So I'm going to add a bit of olive oil into this. I'm going to roast it in the oven. So I'm going to mix this, add a bit of salt as well. To add a bit of salt, not too much, just a little. And I'm adding some dry rosemary as well. I'm going to add the chicken breast. It's marinated now for about an hour, and I'm adding it here. The garlic, I'm going to just put it in here to roast with it, and I've already preheated the oven. So this is how everything looks in the pan, and it's going to go in the oven. The chicken and everything is here. So this has been in the oven for 25 minutes, and both the chicken breast fillet and the cherry tomatoes has released a lot of juice. So I'm going to be cutting up the chicken breast into chunky sizes. This is how I like it, but you can cut it up into any size that you prefer, or you may want to even shred it. I'm going to mix this together nicely, and the garlic has also roasted or baked in the foil, and I'll be releasing that. I'm going to squeeze out the garlic, you can see. So I'm going to squeeze. I'm going to use the fork to mash it up so easily. Look at that. So I'm going to put this in here and mix everything up. So after mixing in the garlic, I'm going to add the raw pasta and then 500 ml of chicken stock liquid. So I'll mix this together thoroughly to make sure everything is well combined, and I'll cover this with kitchen foil and put it back in the oven to bake for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees. This baked for 40 minutes. It's nicely cooked, it's not overcooked, so it's still intact. So this pasta is looking so rich and colorful, And I'm going to sprinkle some shredded cheddar cheese and then put it back in the oven for 5 minutes uncovered so that the cheese can melt on top. But if you don't like cheese, you can leave this bit out. So after 5 minutes, it's melted nicely, and I'm just garnishing with chopped fresh basil, and this is looking so nice, so appetizing, very delicious meal, and so easy to make. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you keep getting my videos. So till I see you next time, take care, bye.